Thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. Today we discuss the pansy flower. Pansies, nature's delicate and colorful masterpieces. In the world of flowers, few blossoms can match the delicate charm and vibrant beauty of pansies. These enchanting blooms, with their velvety petals and captivating hues, have been captivating gardeners and flower enthusiasts for centuries. Pansies, belonging to the viola family, are not only a feast for the eyes, but also carry a rich symbolism and possess unique characteristics that make them a beloved choice for gardens, borders, and floral arrangements. Pansies, scientifically known as Viola tricolor var. Hortensis, are native to Europe and are widely cultivated across the globe. They are known for their distinctive face markings, resembling tiny human faces, which have earned them endearing nicknames like Johnny Jump-Ups or Three Faces in a Hood. These charming faces, often accentuated by contrasting colors, add to the allure and whimsy of the flower. One of the most striking features of pansies is their diverse color palette. These versatile flowers display an array of vibrant hues, including shades of purple, yellow, white, orange, red, and blue. The petals often showcase intricate patterns, with blotches or lines that add depth and texture to the flower's appearance. This wide range of colors and patterns allows for endless creative possibilities in floral arrangements and garden designs. Pansies are typically cool-season flowers, known for their ability to withstand chilly temperatures and even a light frost. This makes them a popular choice for early spring and fall gardens when many other flowers have yet to bloom. Their resilience and adaptability make them ideal for adding color and life to otherwise dreary landscapes during transitional seasons. Aside from their aesthetic appeal, pansies hold symbolic meanings that have fascinated cultures throughout history. These flowers are often associated with thoughts of remembrance and affection, making them a popular choice for expressing love, admiration, or condolences. In Victorian times, they were used to convey secret messages between loved ones through the language of flowers, where each flower held a specific meaning. Pansies were associated with sentiments such as thinking of you or you occupy my thoughts. Pansies are also valued for their versatility in various gardening and landscaping settings. They are often used in bedding schemes, containers, borders, and hanging baskets, adding a splash of color to any outdoor space. Due to their compact size, they are particularly suitable for edging garden beds or creating stunning floral carpets. Pansies can be mixed with other cool-season flowers like primroses, violas, or snapdragons to create visually striking displays that bloom throughout spring and fall. Caring for pansies is relatively straightforward, making them an ideal choice for both experienced gardeners and novices alike. These flowers thrive in well-draining soil, and they prefer cool temperatures and partial shade. Regular watering is essential, especially during dry spells, to keep the soil evenly moist. Deadheading spent blooms helps promote continuous blooming, allowing you to enjoy their vibrant colors for a longer period. In recent years, pansies have also become a popular subject for floral photography and artistic endeavors. Their captivating colors, intricate patterns, and distinctive faces provide endless inspiration for capturing their beauty through the lens or on canvas. Pansy-themed artwork and photographs can evoke a sense of joy, playfulness, and appreciation for the delicate wonders of nature. In conclusion, pansies are nature's delicate and colorful masterpieces, enchanting us with their velvety petals, whimsical faces, and vibrant hues. From their symbolic meanings to their versatility in garden designs, these blooms have charmed generations with their captivating beauty. Whether adorning gardens, brightening up floral arrangements, or simply bringing joy through their presence, pansies continue to captivate our hearts and remind us of the exquisite wonders found in the natural world. Links can be found in the description below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.